In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. Adding fonts to Photoshop is straightforward whether you're using Windows or Mac. For Windows user, what you can do first would be to download fonts. Search online for free fonts and download the ones you like. Look for fonts with extensions like OTF, TTF, PBF, or OFM. Second thing that you'll need to do is to install fonts. Right-click the downloaded font file and select Install. You can install multiple files at once by pressing Shift while selecting. Third thing that you'll need to do is to find the font in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and go to the Character tab and choose your Now font. Now for Mac users, what you can do is to download fonts, search online for free Photoshop fonts for Mac, and download your preferred fonts. Save it to a folder, save the fonts to a new folder on your desktop, and use it in Photoshop. While logged into Photoshop, click the Add Fonts button in the Character menu. Make sure you're logged into Creative Cloud, select the fonts you want, and activate them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.